a faction of the Zimbabwe National Liberation Veterans Association, ZNLWVA, has dismissed reports that its leadership accepted bribes from ZANU-PF, insisting their push to hold President Mnangagwa's administration accountable remains unchanged. Zabela mashoko aibuda pachena patinoka kuti mawo veterans orejecta mutungamiri wenyika nobva wasubscribe olaika on the bell icon. Tibvira panguva ino yemubudanya kwamishinzi the faction led by Andres Matibela held a press conference in Harare on Tuesday to respond to allegations that Matibela and other executive members were gifted vehicles by ZANU-PF aligned benefactor in exchange for silence. The claims, which have caused internal tensions and sparked a bid to oust Matibela's leadership, were firmly denied amid a clear message: the struggle for transparency and economic justice continues. Our roadmap has not changed, Matibela told journalists. We have stood very firmly on the issues surrounding the state of our economy and the source of the problems, and that is what we intend to confront, he added. Unfortunately, we are dealing with individuals who have amassed immense wealth, and all we have to fight them is our conviction and the will of the people. We know what they are doing is wrong, and we will continue to speak out and act for the betterment of all Zimbabweans. Zimbabwe is grappling with the deepening economic woes, marked by individual decline, job losses, and a public health crisis worsened by mass immigration of skilled professionals. Anti-corruption watchdogs have repeatedly cited graft and mismanagement as key drivers of the crisis. Despite ZANU-PF's claims that the economy is recovering, Matibela pointed a picture of the country in distress and leadership that is out of touch with the reality faced by ordinary citizens. The faction's stance appears to signal growing dissent within former liberation war ranks, particularly among those disillusioned by ZANU-PF's failure to deliver on its promises. By openly rejecting alleged bribes and reaffirming their commitment to challenging corruption and misgovernance, Matibela's camp has positioned itself as a rare voice of defiance in a political climate where many fear to speak out. Though mashoko aripo panguva ino mawo veterans achirejecta aiwa President Mnangagwa. Pena comment section medu mafunguro enyu matukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.